Yeah, so?
You trying to kill me?
No, you jump
you
over it.
Videotape this, eh?
Yeah.
Jesse, come here. Come here, Jesse.
Which one do you want to go down? Okay, do a 180.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Ryan.
Hi, Deb.
Here's my jump, Jess.
Okay, hold on.
Here's my jump. Ready?
She landed it. All right, let's go. Aldo?
You want to hold that, huh?
Heck, got it. We're going all the way to the right, right? It's like we have the whole mountain to ourselves right now. Look, it's like we have the whole mountain to ourselves. Everybody who's on the mountain is our group. Come on, Ryan. All right, I'm putting this away. Ugh.